So what does an estate plan cost? This can be really different from attorney to attorney, and it's one of those things where you definitely get what you pay for. For example, if you do a plan yourself online and pay, say, $20, which is really cheap for an estate plan, you're going to get an estate plan that's only worth about that much, and that might actually cause your family a lot of headache and heartache down the road. So you do want to find an attorney that can draft you excellent documents in accordance with state laws that encapsulates everything you want about how your assets go to your loved ones and under what circumstances. But you also want to make sure that your attorney will keep in touch with you as your life changes. Your life is definitely going to change, and the law is also going to change. And your estate planning should stay up to date to reflect that. So you want an attorney that values a relationship over a transaction and who will keep in touch with you over time as things change. I also recommend that you find an attorney that quotes on a flat fee as opposed to an hourly fee. Because if it's hourly, you know the hourly rates, but you don't necessarily know how much time the attorney is going to spend. And so you don't know how much it's going to cost. And you really don't know what you're agreeing to. So everything that we do is flat fee agreed to in advance. And so when it comes to which estate plan might be right for you, maybe a will plan, maybe a trust plan, and we help you figure out what's right for you at our first appointment. Our will plan starts at $2,000 and our trust plans start at $4,000. When you're thinking about those fees and maybe comparing them to other attorneys who charge a lot less, I would encourage you to really try to compare apples to apples and make sure that the attorney who is charging less is really going to do everything another attorney who charges more would do. For example, for us, an estate plan is not just about the legal documents. The legal documents are very important, but they're not going to do you any good if you stuff them away in a drawer and nobody ever knows where they are. We place importance on the legacy piece of your estate plan as well. It's about who you are as a parent, as a person, your values, your insights, your stories that would be lost forever if you don't somehow capture them in a video or a letter or some way of having a conversation with your family and your loved ones about what you want. You really want to leave your family a piece of who you are because that's what they're really going to care about when you're gone. The legal documents will help them get through that transition time. And so we want those documents to be really strong. And we do that for you. But your family's really going to care about the photographs and the stories, or a voicemail, or a letter, or a video. So we incorporate as part of our plans a legacy interview, legacy letters, where we make sure it's not just about the documents that you draft, but also about who you are as a person, your stories, your values, the things that might otherwise be lost if they're not incorporated into your plan. So we're happy to share more about our fee schedule. Just give us a call. We also go into our fee schedule and process in our free online webinar, which you're welcome to attend at any time.